Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my choreography to Bones by Imagine Dragons. I would say this is about an intermediate advanced level dance, so enjoy. If you would like to do this dance with music, I posted a short earlier this week of myself doing the dance with music. So you can find that link down in the description box below. Also, if you don't know any of the steps that I do in this dance, go ahead and also go down in the description box below and find my playlist titled Tap Step Playlist or Tap Step Tutorials. And that will give you all the steps that you need to know for this, this dance. So enjoy, let's get started. Okay, so we start this dance about 45 seconds into the song, so just be aware of that. You're going to do triple paradiddles. So you're going to start on your right foot, and they're going to be fast. That dig spank is going to be fast. So you're going to do 3 of them. So it'll go 1, 2, 3, finish the paradiddle, dig on the left. Okay, so it'll go fast, 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 then slow and dig. Okay. So, on your right foot again, you're going to go dig, spank, dig, spank, dig, spank, step, heel, dig. Yeah? Let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, excuse me, 1, 2, 3. Yep, it's a triple. All right, then you're going to go over to the left side. We just digged here. You're going to use this foot and go triple paradiddle on your left. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, and dig. So you can hear that that third one is slightly slower. The first 2 are fast, and then you're going to go into the third one slow. Okay, so again, that's 1, 2, 3, dig, left, and dig. Now you're going to finish it off with your right foot. You're going to do one more time on your right foot. 1, ooh, excuse me, not a dig there. We're going to end it with a stomp. Okay, so again, you're going to go on your right foot. 1, 2, 3, and dig. Left foot. 1, 2, 3, and dig. And 1, 2, 3, and stomp. And then here's where you're going to drop your heel. 1, 2, 3. So it'll go stomp, 1, 2, 3. Okay? From here, weight is on the left foot, so that means that your right foot is ready to go. 2, 3. Or 1, 2, 3. You're going to go into some 9-count riffs. These also go with the music here. So with your right foot, you're going to do 4 of them. And it's going to go 1. Yeah, so they're going to be kind of fast. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Yeah, try that with me here. It's left foot, right again. So the same rhythm as those triple paradiddles. So triple paradiddles have 1, 2, 3, and then the riffs. So ba da 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 da. Yeah. Okay, so we just finished on our left foot. You're going to go into 4 drawbacks starting on your right foot. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 Cincinnatis, right, left. Repeat that again on your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cincinnati. Here, you're not going to finish a Cincinnati, but you're going to go into a stomp. So instead of going shuffle, heel, drawback, you're going to go shuffle, heel, stomp. Okay? Let's put together everything that we know so far. Paradiddles, riffs, and drawbacks. Let's give it a try. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, drop, and riff. Last one. And draw back. Cincinnati. Drawback, Cincinnati, and with a stomp. From here, you're going to go with your right foot, scuff heel, brush heel, toe heel, stomp. So with your right foot, it's going to go scuff, heel, and then brush heel, and then toe heel, and stomp. Okay, let me go a little bit at a diagonal here because I have a kind of a small board, so it's a little bit hard to get around here. So it's scuff, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel, and then stomp. And then you're going to repeat it on your left foot. Scuff, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel, stomp. Try that with me again. Scuff, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel, stomp. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So if you can't get the rhythm that fast, you can totally take out those heel drops and just do scuff, brush, toe, stomp. It's also a balance thing, so I understand if you can't quite get the heels, perfectly fine. All right. Right after that, left side, scuff, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel, stomp. You're going to go step, step, pull back, step, step, pull back, step, step, pull back. And then you can either there go 2 pullbacks or a pull back and then into a wing. So first 2 steps are going to be slow, and they'll go right, left, double pull back on the right, fast step, step, another double pull back, step, step. And then here's where you can either go pull back, or step, pull back into a wing. Depends how advanced you are. So let me show you that from the side. It's a little bit easier to get that from the side for me. So you're going to start slow, 2 step, step, slow, pull back, step, step, pull back, step, step, pull back, and then either another pull back or into a wing. So let me show you the 2 versions of that. Up to tempo, just running through it here. So I'm going to end it with 2 pullbacks here. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And then with the wing here. Okay. Or if you don't want to do, pull back, you can always replace it with a cramp roll. Or, whatever. They have the same rhythm, so it's fine. Or if you want to end it with, a cramp roll instead of an extra pullback. Same tempo, same rhythm. So it works well. Okay, so always know that there are modifications if you need them. So once you finish that last, whatever you're doing, pullback or wing, you're going to then go into the scuff, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel, stomp again, section again. 1, 2, and left side, and then into your pullback section. Okay, let's put the whole thing together and I'll talk us through it. And then I'll do it a second time, and I won't talk us through it that time. All right, starting with that triple paradiddle. Here we go, in 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel drop, riff. You can do a crawl on this one too. Draw back, Cincinnati, draw back, Cincinnati, stomp, scuff, brush, toe, pull back section, scuff, brush, toe, scuff, brush, toe, pull back. Good, nicely done. All right, let's try it one more time. I'm not going to talk us through it as much this time, or at all, so that you can give it a practice. All right, from the top, triple paradiddle, and 5, 6, 7, 8. thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you so much for watching. And if you have any comments, leave them down in the comment section below. If you have a song suggestion or a step that you want me to break down, let me know. Let me know down in the comments below, and I will try to get to it as soon as possible. All right, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.